If you're a Queensland property developer and you've just received a default notice on an active construction site, this video is for you. Here are the 4 key things you need to understand right now. First, that 30-day statutory notice period you may be counting on, it can be bypassed. Under Queensland law, a registered mortgage must serve a default notice and allow 30 days to remedy before selling your land. But appointment of a receiver under a General Security Agreement, a GSA, can often bypass that window entirely. The GSA operates under Commonwealth law, and most well-drafted GSAs permit a receiver to be appointed immediately upon default, taking control of your corporate entity and your project assets long before the physical land can be sold. Second, and this is critical, negotiating a standstill agreement is often the most effective strategy to retain project control. Lenders are financiers, not builders. They do not want to inherit unpaid sub-trades, contractor novations, and workplace health and safety obligations. That operational complexity is your strongest negotiating asset. Third, do not assume that catching up on a missed payment resolves the problem. Curing a monetary default may not halt enforcement if the lender relies on cross-default provisions, loan-to-value ratio breaches, or material adverse change clauses. You need to understand every trigger in your facility agreement before you approach the lender. And fourth, if negotiations fail, do not rely on getting an injunction to block a sale. Injunctions to prevent a mortgage fire sale are rarely granted. The primary remedy for a property sold under market value is an after-the-fact claim for damages under the applicable market value duty, formerly Section 85 of the Property Law Act 1974, and now Section 116 of the Property Law Act 2023 for enforcement actions arising on or after 1st August 2025. If you're facing a default notice right now, the most important step is to get qualified legal advice immediately. A well-structured workout proposal can make all the difference between retaining control of your project and losing it to a receiver.